Hey guys, what's up? Food review time. I'm here with my bud Nolan. He hasn't consented to being in this video. We're gonna be drinking this fucked up thing. Is this cursed? Yes. Love's green juice.
Oh, it's Love's brand.
Yeah. Like, I saw it and I was like, wow, that's messed up. Tastes weird.
Please read the the ingredients for the viewers.
Cucumber juice, kale juice, spinach juice, apple juice, lime juice, parsley juice, dill juice, mint. It's all organic.
Dill juice. You want some of that good dill juice? I wonder how they juice dill.
Juice anything. Yeah, it tastes weird. Sorry about that, folks. Maybe it's the dill juice that's making this taste so weird.
Okay, before you finish, I would like a sip.
I'm sick.
Never mind. Fuck.
You gotta go get your own.
No, I ain't gonna go in there to get my fucking dill juice.
Yeah, the dill is a bit odd. But, I'm still a little concerned about it. But it's okay, I guess.